Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine the aroma of warm, spiced apples filling your kitchen on a chilly day. Today, we're diving into a super simple, yet incredibly satisfying recipe for stovetop cinnamon apples. They're sweet, tender, and just bursting with flavor. This classic dessert or delightful side dish is perfect for any time you crave a little warmth and comfort, without much fuss at all. Let's get started. Before we begin cooking, let's gather everything we'll need. Grab about 3 or 4 medium-sized apples, like Honeycrisp or Fuji, as they hold their shape nicely. You'll also want a tablespoon of butter, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Make sure you have a medium-sized non-stick pan ready, along with a cutting board and a good knife. Our first step is preparing the apples themselves. Begin by giving them a good wash under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, grab your peeler and carefully remove the skin from each apple. Once peeled, use an apple corer or a small knife to remove the core. Finally, slice your apples into uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch thick, so they cook evenly and become perfectly tender, just the way we like them. Now for the magic. Place your nonstick pan over medium heat and add the tablespoon of butter. Let it melt completely and get nice and bubbly. Once melted, carefully add your sliced apples, the 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and that wonderful teaspoon of cinnamon to the pan. Give everything a good stir to coat the apples evenly. Let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become beautifully tender and fragrant. Once your apples are soft and the sauce has thickened slightly, they are ready to serve. Remove them from the heat, and you can enjoy them warm right away. These cinnamon apples are absolutely delicious on their own, but they also make an amazing topping for oatmeal, yogurt, pancakes, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This simple, comforting dish is a fantastic way to enjoy the cozy flavors of autumn anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.